Guys, Beaumont is now officially underwater, from what I'm told on the news, and we are now into day 6 of this horrific storm that's continuing to spread water throughout Texas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a map of my neighborhood and where I've been doing search and rescues and where I've been volunteering to go through neighborhoods. I have been busting my ass walking endless days for 6 days. I have probably put in over 20 miles of walking, and my legs, my feet are killing me, but I'm doing everything I can to get you guys the footage so you can see what's going on from my experience, and others as well, at least in my area. So I'm going to show you guys a map here, okay? Now if you look up here where this dot is, this is where I live, okay? Okay, this is where I live, alright? I live in the corner end up here, okay? This is Quail Valley, my neighborhood. Now let's zoom out a little bit, okay? Anywhere you see these lakes, which are here, all these lakes here in El Dorado, are all underwater. This is Lake Olympia Parkway, where Beyonce and Warren Moon used to live. It's all underwater as well. My area, which is right up here, is the only area that was out of the flood zone. That, you know, we got flooding, don't get me wrong, and I have footage to prove it, but this is the only area that basically escaped the flooding. So basically, as you know, after the flooding receded in my area, I managed to make my way down here from my house. I walked all the way down here to Mission Valley, then I walked down here to Glen Lakes, and we set up shop right here on Greenbrier Drive. That was the first initial drop-off stage where we started our first rescue mission. Water receded up to as much as 6 to 8 feet in Glen Lakes, all the way down Masters, Pinolio, Pecan Valley, Camisha Drive, Boca Raton, Deerwood, North Valley Drive, and it made its way all the way down Masters. Down here, both cul-de-sacs were underwater. Here, these are cul-de-sacs right here, which got a little bit of houses. Then the water recedes to make its way down here. West Valley Drive underwater, Crow Valley Drive underwater, Glen Echo, Robinson Road, all that area is underwater. Canisteo, Vernon, Hampton, the waters actually pushed through over here, flooded these streets up. That is Highland Lakes, Lakeview Drive, Millbrook, East Creek Club Drive, all the way to Hampton, where the old Robinsons lived. That's where Missouri City at first got its origin. The Robinson family from Missouri City. That is all currently underwater as we speak. Then it makes its way. The flood gets where you see this water. This is the bridge here, okay, that goes over here. It connects to Ridgeview Drive, which is a park. The water makes its way over here, floods everything out over here, and then pushes its way over here. And then, not to mention, up here where you see Oyster Creek, the water overflows, flows everything here, and then starts flowing everything around it. So these lakes are definitely not helping. The other day I was on El Dorado doing searches, and basically I managed to walk all the way to my house down El Dorado Boulevard. I turned down here. Thunderbird was underwater. Tomansky was underwater. Covey Trail Drive has a 6-foot drop. I could not enter in there because the waters were just too deep, so I could not get in there. So I don't know what is the status of those people. I was too scared to enter in there for my own safety. Now in this video you're going to see, this is where I'm at. Okay, Lake Olympia Parkway. So I walk down Mission Valley. I go all the way down Misty Hollow, which is fine over here. But once you get to Lake Olympia Parkway, you got to walk all the way down. So I walked all the way down Lake Olympia Parkway. So I'm about 2-3 miles from my house in terms of walking. Flamingo Island's all underwater now. I want to show you guys this. Okay, this is what happened in this video, and you're about to see footage to prove it. The levee system breaks here. There's a levee here. There's a levee here. Both of them break, spewing water. The water gets into this neighborhood, which is called, it's off of Kitty Hollow Drive and Chappelle Lane. As you'll see, the water is rushing into the left here. It floods all these homes out. All these homes are at a downward slope. So that means when the rain comes down, it comes down on the houses. So some of these houses got 6 inches of rain in their house. So all these homes right here, all these homes down here, all have flooding. They're all inside of the house, and you're going to see the video of that. So after I'm done, I make my way up here to see if my friend made it. I go down Peninsula Drive. I walk all the way down Peninsula Drive down here, and then All this area is flooded out. Sadia Drive, Will Peach Place, Wild Peach Place, they're both underwater. I make my way down to the peninsulas, pass up the pond which has alligators in it. I make my way down Oyster Creek Place. It was too flooded. I go down peninsulas. This is all underwater here as well. So I make my way down peninsulas. I finally managed to get to Oyster Creek Place. But as soon as I turned on here, my search ended here, because once you get here, there's a drop. And he lives on Coral Tree Lane. And I failed to make his house. He lives on the second house right here at the very end, and I failed my mission to see if he made it. And the houses get 4 or 5 feet deep in certain areas where they have a slope, and basically it's not safe to walk when the waters start to get waist high and above, because there's ants, snakes, alligators. So I had to call the search. I had to call it off. So I don't know if he made it or not. I haven't heard from him. He's not answering my calls. It's going straight to voicemail, so I don't know if he made it or not. So here's the footage. We're out here in Lake Olympia now, or this is the beginning of Lake Olympia, as you can see. Look at that. Look, the water already got in their neighborhood. Look at that. Hey, how bad is it down there? Real bad? Shit. So Lake Olympia's underwater too? Yeah. Shit. Those all your car stalled out over there?
No. He lived here.
Yeah, we were trying to figure out
why our water wasn't moving.
Yeah, well, the guys that were excavating on the other side loosened up the stream, the creek broke the wall, and now the lake water.
The lake's coming in through.
Ah, fuck. And is it water getting in those houses over there?
That's.
Oh shit, that sucks. Yeah. That sucks. Yeah, because I got a buddy that lives over there. Holy shit.
Yep.
Well, damn. I wonder how that happened.
Wind, no dirt around the root base.
Yeah. Once it broke through that wall, and the wall had nothing better. The water, once it rose, it just kept going.
Yeah, because I live on Hilton Head, and I volunteered to help the Louisiana Cajun or whatever they call the Army. Yeah, they're over there on Glen Lakes. Yeah, they're over there on Glen Lakes taking people out. So they said, hey, you want to help? I'm like, well, yeah, sure. What can I do? They're like, well, when we bring the people up, we just need help bring their things out. I said, that's fine. I'm game. I got nothing else to do. I was filming anyway. I had nothing else to do. So I thought
Ron will take a picture and tell us what the other side's doing.
Wow, so all the water's coming out of there, and now it's coming into this neighborhood.
Right. Well, this is just another part of Lake Olympia.
Oh, wow.
That's Swan Isles? Yeah. And it's coming across to this other side of it.
Damn, that sucks.
So that's what we're doing. We're checking because they've got the pump down there, the pump house. If they've got all 4 pumps running, if it's going somewhere. We've dropped about 6 inches of water. So.
Not too bad. Is your house flooded?
Yeah.
Where the pumps at? The pumps are over there, right?
Yeah, they're right where he is standing.
Damn, that sucks, man. Apparently like a branch or something broke over there and it's releasing water into this neighborhood. I just happened to show up. I was going to go home, charge my phone. Damn, this water's coming out of that lake over there. You guys need to check this shit out. Watch out, stepping in this shit's like stepping in quicksand. Look at this. See that big old pond over there? No, I'm just stepping right over here. It looks real bad, man. It's all coming out of here and it's going into there. Damn, that whole this whole Lake Olympia lake is coming out and it's going into that neighborhood over there. Wow. I got my keys in my pocket now. Are you guys seeing this? This is Lake Olympia. Wow. The lake's coming out of here and it's going into that neighborhood over there. And their houses are already underwater now. I tried to get to my friend Josh, but he's further down there. I can't get over there. His name's Joshua Breeden, and he lives over there on Plantation or something Plantation, over the Lakes of Plantation or something like that to the left here. Just don't know if I can get over there. It looks so deep. Sorry I couldn't get to you, man. I don't even know if he's alive. Wait a minute, I can get over here. I found a way over. Okay guys, just to give you kind of a better image, okay, of where I'm at. This house right here that is owned by Warren, that used to be owned by Warren Moon, alright? Warren Moon used to own this house. Then he sold it to his wife, or he gave it to his wife, and then his wife ended up selling the house 2 years later. So I don't know who's currently living there, but this is Warren Moon's old house, okay? Now you'll see in the video that's where I'm at. Now the levee system breaks here, in this corner in right here, okay? I make my way all the way down here. The levee system breaks here, and there's another breakage right in here that sends all this body of water, as you see in the video, all this water here, this whole entire lake right here is literally coming out of these 3 levees that bursted, okay? So I make my way down here, and basically what the water does is once it spews, it gets all into all this area over here, okay? It starts spewing out over here. All the water starts to flood over here, okay? It starts to flood over here, and then it makes its way in the Chappelle Lane, which are these, which is this cul-de-sac, which you'll see I'm filming from over about right here in the area, and I start filming over here. And all these homes, by nightfall, are underwater. Every single one of them. This whole cul-de-sac right here. Where you see this T-shape, all these 40, 50 homes right here, all underwater. And all this water is continually flowing out from this lake, this big ass lake right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the footage. Oh, you made it. If he made it, I can. 1 second. Oh, shit. Okay, I got one more area to go through. Hopefully there's not a fucking alligator in here. Doing all right, sir? Doing okay? Okay. Oh, wow.
This part where you do it,
No way you can ride your bike in that, huh? And we make it to the middle right there.
Yeah, it goes there and goes through over there and then get through it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just too deep. Hey, y'all all right? Hello? No sound. You think maybe we should go take a closer look? We'll probably go through that way. Yeah. Look, water's literally coming through here, and it's making its way into that neighborhood over there. You see that? Yeah, it's crazy. I don't even know if there's any alligators in here. I haven't seen any. Not in this area? They're claiming there was. Guess we can make our way towards the center over here and then try to come around. Sounds like a good ordeal. Be careful, man. This grass feels like quicksand. You need help with your bike?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Go with my bike go out that way.
All right, be careful when you take your step. Huh? Shit. The gym's open when we can get a freaking boat over there. Damn, this house has got nothing but water coming in it, dude. I don't have a fucking bike, so I'm walking on foot. I think I can make this. Yeah, I can make this. Hey, hello? Y'all in there? Hello? Well, the rain's starting to come in. You can see all these stalled cars over here. So I'm going to make my way back into the water. Give me a second. Fucking mud, man. Just try to step on the thick parts, man. Some of this shit is thin like a motherfucker. How that guy rode his bike on this shit, I don't fucking know. Just want to see if my friend made it. Lake Olympia Parkway right here. This takes you all the way to 6, about maybe a mile down the road. And guy sped in front of me, man. He's on a damn bike. I don't know how he went through this damn mud in that damn bike. Oh, my fucking feet are killing me, man. Fucking hungry. Hold on. Damn, a lot of these homes got flooded out, dude. A lot of them. Okay, my friend lives to the left here, maybe another mile down this road, so I'm gonna go check on him. Fuck. Damn, this water goes on and on and on for whiles. Okay, I gotta step in the water. I need to get across to get to my buddy. Fuck! My fucking legs. Oh, I feel like they're lifting weights right now. Hey brother, I see you over there. Damn. Okay, I made a left on Peninsula in Lake Olympia. He's about a mile down the road. Maybe half a mile. I don't know. My phone's left at the car. It was dying. Okay, so the water here is receded right here. So it's nothing but clear land. So I could try to make a break for it, but there's a lake up here, and I don't know if the lake's overflowed with water. So I have no choice but to check. The lake's gotten over. It's bad everywhere. Glen Lakes, Lake Olympia, Sienna Plantation, everything. I live on Hilton Head Drive. I help volunteer doing rescues on Glen Lakes right now, getting people out of their homes. Some people refuse to go. They said that they had nowhere else to go, or they just were stuck in their old ways, I guess. It sucks. Well, Glen Lakes is if you go all the way down here.
Lake Olympia area?
A little bit, like you would have to basically make a right here, go all the way down, and then make a left on Misty Glen or whatever they call it.
Yeah.
And then right when it meets with Glen Lakes, right there, it's like if you were to make a right, you'll go into the park, community park. But instead of making a right, you're going to make that left, and that hill goes downwards. Right. That whole area is flooded out. Yeah. So I was helping some people at least get their stuff out. So if like the rescuers came, brought the boat, then people wanted to leave, I would just grab their stuff and then put it onto their truck or whatever if somebody came to get them. Yeah, it was a small job, but you know, it's better than nothing else.
Right there.
Are you in one of them mansions up there to the right or the left?
Right.
Oh, in that gated community?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it looks like you're in good shape.
Yeah, we're surrounded. So
Yeah. Guess what just happened? Lake Olympia's got a lake back there. Over there on Flamingo or whatever that's called, that little area, or the peninsula or something like that. Okay, some trees broke over there and it's releasing a shitload of water, and the water's going into the neighboring neighborhood across over there, but they got some pumps right now trying to pump the water out. Oh, wow. But that whole lake is leaking out. There's a whole, it's just, yeah, there's people, like if you ride your bike and make that right, but be careful though, the water's deep down there. So I had to pick and choose how I walked.
on the sidewalk?
Yeah, so some of it you can't see, and then there's some of the mud. It's like quicksand, so you step your foot in there and it just sinks. Yeah. So you have to like pick and choose your spots carefully. And there's a house over there to the left-hand side, like if you're going on the main road of Lake Olympia Parkway. Yeah. And let's say you're doing a U-turn, there's houses right there on the feeder right there. Man, they're all underwater. There's water's all, yeah, it's bad. Wow. I was actually yelling to see if the people were there. They had a car there, but either they weren't there, they left, or I don't know. Maybe they might have got rescued, but I don't know. But their house is completely under, and that whole water's just coming right into the neighborhood. So I hope they get those pumps working pretty soon. How's the lake over here? Yeah, but if we keep receiving rain, it's just, fuck. Yeah. This sucks. Yeah, my car's about a mile down the road. I walked over here because I'm going to make a left here, and my buddy lives on one of those cul-de-sacs back there. And I'm going to go back there and go see if he's okay. Yeah, it was nice talking to you. I was just giving you a heads up. Yeah, if you go on Lake Olympia Parkway, you'll see that bayou's coming right into here. Damn it. Okay, I can either cut through this field or I can just walk the street. It's picking up. What should I do, guys? Should I walk down this way? It's a shortcut, or should I walk around here? Okay, I'm gonna have to make a last second decision, but I'm gonna walk through here. Okay. Please no alligator, please no alligator. Please no alligator, please no alligator. Please no alligator. Please. Okay. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Please no alligator. Please no alligator. Shallow water so I could be able to walk around. Okay, so I'm out of the blues. That was a deck, it goes all the way down. I guess not anymore. That's the bench area, or what's supposed to be a bench. Oh, I think I stepped on something, man. My foot's killing me. Okay, there's a fern meadow, and it's also underwater as well. He lives up a little bit closer though, I mean a little further up, so I gotta make my way to his house, see if he's there. Oh, man, I hate hurricanes. Oh, I'm never gonna forget this day. Fuck, not another puddle again. God damn it. Fuck. Man, it's coming up. My feet are killing me, man. I need to sit down and take a break or something. Okay, I'm on Oyster Creek Place in Peninsulas right now. Oh, it's a bitch having to walk like this, but you know, I'm just checking on little friends around in the area. I couldn't drive to this area, otherwise I would. But I gotta walk through another big puddle coming up. As you can see, I gotta cross the street real quick. Oh. Okay, I gotta walk in the water again. Wow. This lake literally sent fucking massive amounts of water in here. You can see them. Okay, I think he lives, gotta be up here somewhere. God damn, that whole neighborhood's flooded too. It's everywhere. There's water all over this motherfucker. Left of the stop sign, second cul-de-sac, how bad is it? If you make a left of the stop sign up there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I was checking on a friend of mine. So I parked my car on Lake Olympia Parkway. So I walked about a mile and a half down here.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm knocking on the door to see if he's okay.
The entrance is open right here.
The entrance? Okay. You guys are leaving or? Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't know it was gonna get this bad. Did your house flood out?
No, it's still good. We're over there.
Okay. All right, I'll be able to make it. It was nice talking to you guys. Okay. Okay. My feet are killing me. Damn it. Oh, my feet are killing me so bad. Get this over with. Hopefully he's okay. Okay, I'm on Peninsula's and Oysters Creek Place. Just got to make my way down a little ways and I get to his house. Just want to see if he's okay. And yeah, you probably call me crazy if you watch this video, but yeah, I'm just gonna go check on him real quick. Okay, I'm about to hit another big water again. It's just dragging your legs. Okay guys, okay, I'm gonna try to go over there.